noodles. So today I'm not only gonna have 1, 2, but 3 Demon Slayer noodles, cause your girl's starving. Of course, the first thing I'm going to do is boil some water. While the water's boiling, we're going to open these. I almost forgot about my little noodle stopper thing. I'll leave this over here for now. Here's Tanjiro. Look at our Rengoku. Are you guys also excited for the second season? It's Akaza. He's so hot. I'm guessing this is more like yakisoba. I see. You can see that they included this big piece of tofu. Let me get rid of these first. Now I'm gonna open the Rengoku one. Yeah, these noodles all include a bunch of stuff. It looks like some sort of tempura. I don't think I've ever had these kind of noodles before. They look kind of round. Here's the sauce I need to add in later on. I'm gonna open this packet. I feel like I'm doing it wrong already. This looks like the soup base. I'm just gonna pour it in here. Ooh. Ah, let's put this, whatever this is. Oopsie. And then the last one. This is the only one I need to drain the water. Okay, I just realized my camera wasn't even recording when I opened this. Ta-da! Look how bouncy it is. Oh, it kinda looks like chili powder or something. I'll just mix it into the broth. And I have another one here. Wait, is it even cooked? I'm supposed to drain this. Put it back in here. Let's get the vegetables in. For this one, I have to add this sauce. What?